Hello, I'm Ricky Lee, and today on the Watchlist, I'm joined by Mark Creaser, Chairman, and Siam Kid, CEO of Astrid Intelligence PLC. The company operates within the decentralized AI and blockchain ecosystem, building infrastructure and services designed to capture value from emerging machine intelligence networks. Recent developments include the acquisition of Astrid Validator and the launch of the Astrid Vault, as the company continues expanding its presence within the Bit Tensor ecosystem. Mark, Siam, welcome to the Watchlist.
Thank you. Nice, yeah.
Thank you both for being here. Very exciting. You guys work in quite a complicated area. There's a lot of misunderstanding around it. For those who are unfamiliar, is this an AI investment or is this a crypto play?
Astrid Intelligence makes investments into AI businesses. That's really what we do. It's not really a crypto play at all. Where the confusion comes is that the rails of the future, the financial rails of the future, are quite crypto based. There's an awful lot of agents. Everyone that's watching this will be very familiar with the world of OpenClaw and all of the AI agents that have sprung up in the last few weeks. And we're just going to see a lot more of that in the future. And where those AI agents go shopping, they're not going to go and get a NatWest account and a debit card and start spending money that way. They're going to use crypto rails. So AI businesses of the future are going to be dependent on those crypto rails. So the two things are interlinked, but our investments are squarely in the AI space. We're not gambling on crypto. The space that we specifically specialize in is called Bit Tensor, and Bit Tensor is based fairly squarely on the best known of all cryptos, Bitcoin, but with some key differences.
Speaking of those key differences, because I'm sure the listeners are all very keen to understand it a bit more, Siam, can you go in a bit more detail? What is Bit Tensor?
Yeah, it's a hard one. It's like trying to explain to someone what the internet is in 1998. So the easiest analogy is Alphabet. So we all know Google. Imagine Alphabet is this big umbrella company and it has hundreds of different projects and companies below it. You may have heard of some: YouTube, DeepMind, Google Drive, all that sort of stuff. And if you think they're really good companies and want some upside in their future, you can simply buy their gross value capture vessel, which is their token, Goog. So Google, you go and buy their stock. Well, BitTensor is exactly the same. BitTensor is this big umbrella company, and at the moment there are 128 individual AI startups, all doing something completely different. And if the gross value capture mechanism, or the token, is called TAO, T-A-O. So you can either buy TAO, but you can also buy the underlying AI startups themselves. They all have their own token as well. But first you have to buy TAO, and then you swap it for their token if you wanted to. So it's if you look at the growth curve of centralized AI, it's very steep. But there is this vertical line out of nowhere, which is distributed decentralized AI. So yeah, and so we focus on Bit Tensor.
Well, we're all learning so much today, but I think we also need to learn a bit more about Astrid Intelligence, right? So for the first timers here who have no idea who you guys are, who have just learned about Bit Tensor, can you briefly explain the company's business model and how you guys actually fit within this space? How do you create value in that space?
Sure. So Siam and I have been working in Bit Tensor for over 12 months now. We're pretty well known in the space. It's not a very big space, but there is a lot of activity there. And as Siam said, it is growing very, very, very quickly. Our mandate is to create an operating company from Astrid. So we can create value from anywhere in the ecosystem, and there is an awful lot of opportunity because this is a space that is going to explode over the next couple of years. So we're buying infrastructure, we're building infrastructure, so we're building the pipes inside that space. We're also making investments directly into some of the AI businesses that we're partnering with, so we'll benefit from their growth over the course of the next few months and years as well.
I guess just to quickly follow on from that, if you were to go back to the internet boom and bubble back in the early 2000s, Astrid Intelligence equivalent would be a company that is trying to buy and build infrastructure within the internet industry. So buying data centers and laying down fiber optic cables in places. So they are we're trying to help grow the roads and railways for decentralized AI.
Wow, that's explained beautifully. Thank you very much for your time today, Mark and Siam.
It was a pleasure. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Once again, that is Mark Creaser and Siam Kidd from Astrid Intelligence. For more on the company and work within its decentralized AI infrastructure, visit astrid.global. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.